Released from prison nearly a year ago, 66-year-old Moninder Singh Pandher now lives in his 2,000 square yard family home in Chandigarh. Born in August 1957, Pandher, Goldie to friends, studied at Simla's elite Bishop Cotton and was a history graduate from Delhi's St. Stephen's College. Pandher inherited a successful transport business spread across Delhi, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. He married Davinder Kaur and then had a son, Karandeep, who went on to study in Canada. The Pandhers bought a double-storied bungalow in Noida, Sector 31 in March 2004. Moninder Singh Pandher spent most of his time there while his wife stayed back in Chandigarh. Miles away, a young country boy, Surinder Kohli, in Uttarakhand's Almora, was planning his move to Delhi in search of a better life. Kohli's and Pandher's worlds were about to collide with consequences so horrific they would stun the entire nation. Pandher employed Surinder Kohli in July 2004 as a full-time cook. Kohli was mostly by himself and in charge of the D5 coating while Pandher travelled. All was well until children started disappearing in Noida Sector 31. The missing children, some as young as 4, were from a nearby village called Nithari. The parents of these children went to the police but were not taken seriously. Their reports were never filed. Turned away by cops, helpless family members took matters in their own hands and searched for clues. It was now 2006 and the count of missing children kept rising. All clues and searches would lead to the Pandher bungalow, a black hole where these children seemed to have simply vanished. As pressure mounted, the police were forced to act. They visited D5 on September 31, 2006, but returned, finding nothing suspicious. Soon after they left, a man noticed a polythene bag in a drain just behind the bungalow, with what seemed to be a human hand sticking out. Shocked, he called the cops. What followed was the gruesome discovery of 40 bags with body parts and 16 heads, as everyone watched in disbelief. The owner of the House of Horrors, Moninder Singh Pandher, and his domestic help Surinder Kohli were both arrested. Disturbing allegations of murder and mutilation held the nation's attention for months. The police said that Kohli lured children with sweets into the D5 bungalow where he raped and killed them. He would then mutilate their bodies in the toilet of his first-floor room. The police also alleged that Kohli confessed to cannibalism and necrophilia. The case was handed over to the CBI in April 2007. Pandher told the CBI that he was oblivious to serial killings going on inside his home, saying he was usually out on business. 19 cases were filed against Pandher and Kohli. Kohli was accused of abduction, rape, murder and destruction of evidence. The CBI charge sheets did not accuse Pandher of rape and murder, with officials saying there was no strong evidence against him. Pandher was diagnosed with tuberculosis in 2022 in judicial custody. In 2023, Moninder Singh Pandher was acquitted in all 3 cases against him. Surinder Kohli continues to serve a life sentence after his conviction in 1 case.